Hello design enthusiasts, in this video we are diving into the secret sauce that makes Figma amazing, that is plugin. These nifty tools created by individuals outside of Figma extend the capabilities of the platform, allowing you to do a more and work more efficiently. We will focus on some plugins for now, but remember there's a whole world of plugins out there and they are all accessible through the Figma community. So there are like three options we can use plugins. Like first one, we can go into this Figma icon and there is one option called plugins, and these are some installed plugins in my Figma right now. You can go to this button, this one is resources, and in this we can go to plugins and we can search for different kind of plugins, and we can also bookmark them and we can directly click on them and we can use it. Like let's say I want to add one profile picture over here, I can just select that, and let's say I want to profile should be say this one. So I can just click on it, and as you can see, the image is added over here. Let's say you want plugin of icon, so you can just search icons, and it will give you some really popular icons plugins. Let's go with let's say icon 8, and we just have to click because it is not installed in my system. Okay, so it is installed now. Okay, so this is the interface of the icon 8 plugin. We can search like let's say I want icon of home, so I can just search home. And we can also choose different options like PNG, SVG. SVG is like a paid option. We can also change the color of it. We can also change the format of the icons. Let's say I want this home button, so I can just drag it over here. I can paste it and I can use it whenever I want. This is the benefit of using plugin. You can also access plugin through the community. You can just go to community. Like let's say I want only plugins of let's say picture. Sure, and I can go to like in plugins. Okay, there are 47 plugins, and I can just click on the open. I can also sort it out. Let's go to popular. So these are some popular plugins, so I can just open it in my Figma. And as you can see, it is asking where you want to open your plugin. So let's go in untitled and run. So this is kind of difficult method. I already showed you how to like open plugins from the resources. Use that one as well. Let's say I want to add my profile picture over here. Okay, this looks cool. So I'm gonna go with this one. So this is how you can use plugins. Remember, the plugins we use throughout the course might have different interfaces, but the underlying concept remains the same, enhancing Figma's capabilities. Plugins are an exciting aspect of Figma, and we will explore more of them in future videos. So stay tuned for deeper dive into like Pixels or Pixabay and other powerful plugins in next tutorial. So see you there.